With noteworthy topical and internal benefits, this essential oil can be used to add spice and sharpness when cooking or to help you ward off seasonal and environmental threats when outside. Hey, this is Lance McGowan with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about doTERRA's black pepper essential oil. The main benefits is that it can flavor your food, reduces tobacco cravings, and supports healthy digestive function. The directions and common uses include adding 3 to 5 drops in a 4-hour diffuser to open up your airways. You can also add 1 to 2 drops with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil on your abdomen area and then rub it in. And then lastly, you can add 1 drop in place of 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground black pepper in savory dishes, recipes, or even soups. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.